There are many paths towards wealth. Some work on it by investing in assets, some just save money from their jobs, and some work on things that benefit society. The man we will be talking about today is one such person who has worked on his wealth and at the same time contributed a lot to society. How about a show of hands for Mr. Vivek Ramaswamy? So who is this guy anyway? Vivek Ramaswamy is an Indian-American entrepreneur, author, and commentator known for his work in the biotechnology and pharmaceutical sectors. You can also add being a presidential candidate among his titles, considering his recent bid for the Republican nomination in the 2024 U.S. presidential elections. Born in 1985 in Cincinnati, Ohio, Ramaswamy's family background is rooted in Indian heritage. His parents immigrated to the United States from India. Ramaswamy attended Harvard College, earning a biology degree in 2007. At Harvard, he demonstrated early signs of entrepreneurial spirit and leadership. After completing his undergraduate studies, he pursued a law degree at Yale Law School, graduating in 2010. Vivek Ramaswamy has had a diverse and impactful career that spans biotechnology, law, and entrepreneurship. This guy certainly is gifted. We'd love to have a guy like him here on the Made in Lux team. Following his legal education, Ramaswamy delved into the business world. His venture into the biopharmaceutical industry began with the founding of Axivent Sciences in 2014. The company aimed to develop innovative treatments for conditions like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's, and other neurological disorders. The company initiated clinical trials to assess the safety and efficacy of its drug candidates. The results were closely watched in the medical and investment communities. The pressure is on. One of Axivent's notable drug candidates was RV-101. Initially developed by GlaxoSmithKline, Axivent acquired the rights to the drug with the hope that it could be a potential treatment for Alzheimer's disease. In 2015, Axivent Sciences went public in what was considered one of the largest biotech IPOs at the time. Unfortunately, Axivent Sciences also faced challenges in its clinical development efforts. For example, in September 2017, Axivent reported disappointing results from a phase 3 clinical trial of RVT-101 in Alzheimer's disease. Eventually, there were also changes in leadership and a shift in the company's focus. Such a shame, but it will all work out eventually. Building on the experience gained from Axivent, Ramaswamy founded Roivant Sciences in 2014. Roivant is a unique pharmaceutical company that focuses on creating subsidiary companies to develop drugs in various therapeutic areas. The goal is to optimize drug development and increase the chances of success by creating specialized entities. Roivant operates under a holdco or holding company structure. This involves creating subsidiary companies referred to as VANTs, each dedicated to a specific therapeutic area. You have a bunch of guys that are specifically trained for each VANT. More focused expertise can lead to fewer errors. Vivek has certainly leveled up his approach thanks to his past venture at Axivent. Roivant also identifies drug development opportunities by acquiring compounds or drugs that may have been overlooked or deprioritized by larger pharmaceutical companies. It also has 3 key subsidiaries, which focus on different fields. The first is Miovant Sciences, which focuses on women's health and prostate cancer. The second is Dermavant Sciences, which specializes in dermatology and the treatments for conditions like psoriasis and atopic dermatitis. The third is Urovant Sciences, which concentrates on urology and developing therapies for overactive bladder and other urological conditions. Apart from his entrepreneurial and medical ventures, Vivek Ramaswamy has been vocal about broader issues related to corporate governance, the pharmaceutical industry, and societal trends. His views on the intersection of corporate interest and social justice have been articulated in his book, Woke Incorporated, Inside Corporate America's Social Justice Scam, published in 2021. In this book, Ramaswamy criticizes what he sees as the co-opting of social justice caused by corporations. He argues that some companies engage in virtue signaling and adopt progressive rhetoric not out of genuine commitment to social change, but as a form of marketing and public relations strategy. Basically, it's like some companies engage in performative acts of social responsibility without addressing underlying systemic issues. The book explores how corporations, in Ramaswamy's view, exploit social justice issues to boost their public image and appeal to certain consumer demographics. It questions the sincerity and depth of corporate commitment commitment to social causes. Ramaswamy discusses the broader societal implications of what he calls the woke industrial complex. This includes the potential stifling of free speech, the shaping of public discourse, and the influence of corporate actors on cultural and political narratives. Ramaswamy addresses the phenomenon of cancel culture, where individuals or entities face severe backlash for perceived violations of social norms. He explores how this culture is intertwined with corporate behavior and the broader dynamics of contemporary social and political discourse. Woke Incorporated has generated discussion and debate about the role of corporations in social justice movements. While some appreciate Ramaswamy's critique of corporate behavior, others argue that the book oversimplifies the complexities of corporate engagement with social issues. Overall, the book is known for its independent perspective. It does not neatly align with traditional political ideologies, and Ramaswamy himself has emphasized the importance of maintaining a nuanced and open dialogue on these issues. The folks here at Made in Lux also have varying opinions on it too. So now that we've seen everything that Vivek Ramaswamy has done so far, it is really impressive for him to get this far in life. He has made various contributions to society. He might be controversial in some ways, but we can all agree that skills pay the bills. With his stacked resume and a ton of money under his belt, the sky's the limit for Vivek. It got us thinking, what could be his motivations and his mentality? What drives him toward success? Ramaswamy's mindset is characterized by a strong entrepreneurial spirit. He founded Roivant Sciences with a vision to innovate in drug development, adopting a unique VAT structure that involves specialized subsidiaries. This demonstrates a willingness to take risks and challenge traditional industry norms. The focus on specialization within Roivant reflects a strategic mindset. By concentrating on specific therapeutic areas, Ramaswamy aims to maximize efficiency and expertise, recognizing that a one-size-fits-all approach might not be the most effective in drug development. Another aspect of his mindset is his approach towards his medical endeavors. The mindset extends to a patient-centric approach. The goal is not only to develop drugs, but to address unmet medical needs and improve patient outcomes. This philosophy underscores a broader commitment to the societal impact of pharmaceutical innovation. Ramaswamy has also been vocal about the need for change in corporate governance practices. His views extend to corporate culture, shareholder value, and governance norms within the pharmaceutical industry. This reflects a mindset that sees room for improvement in established systems. Vivek Ramaswamy's story reflects the journey of an individual with a diverse set of skills, biology, law, and entrepreneurship, who has navigated the complex worlds of biotechnology, business, and societal critique. His work continues to be influential in both the business and cultural spheres. What we love about him is his sensitivity to various issues that concern modern society. He isn't just about the money, he's also for the people who are in need of assistance. We hope you like this video. Feel free to leave your comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. This is Made in Lux signing off.